Hi, my name's Sam Buxton. I'm the CEO of Digital Asset Management Limited.
The world has experienced an enormous digital transformation in the last 10 years, and it's not slowing down. We believe that the industry that will be impacted the most in the next 10 years is the financial services industry. Decentralization and digital transformation is going to bring more sustainability, more transparency, and allow individuals around the world to take back full control of their wealth. At DAM, we believe the way we use money today is going to be completely different to the way we use money in the next 5 to 10 years and beyond. A paradigm shift is well underway.
Hi, I'm Scott, Head of Trading for Digital Asset Management. We established DAM in 2017 and were one of the first licensed and regulated crypto companies in Europe. Today, we are one of 13 licensed and regulated DLT providers in Gibraltar. We're a self-funded firm with over 350 over-the-counter clients. In Q1 of 2021 alone, we traded over 200 million euros across our OTC desk. Our goal is to increase this trading flow to over 1 billion euros within the next 12 months. We offer our current clients a bespoke trading experience that makes trading crypto, even in large size, simple and easy. We offer 24/7 support along with competitive and flexible pricing. We provide an excellent service to all of our clients, and this is clear from the tremendous levels of growth that we've achieved in the last 3 years.
When we founded the company in 2017, one of our main focus points was to take care of our people and create a unique work environment. This continues to be one of our main focus points as we expand globally. One of our biggest assets as a company is our team, and we believe we have one of the best teams in the crypto industry. The DAM fam represents our family culture. As a team, we come to work every day focused on hitting our goals and enjoying the journey together. Our current headquarters is in Gibraltar, and we have a growing presence in Europe, the UK, and the US. Our goals for 2022 and beyond are to continue expanding in Europe and enter the North and South American markets with our retail and B2B business.
We are now reinvesting our profits into technology and plan to pivot into the retail market with our crypto payments mobile application. DAMX is combining health and wealth like never before, allowing users to benefit financially by keeping active, using cryptocurrency and non-fungible tokens as rewards. DAMX was inspired during the COVID-19 lockdown. Millions of people around the world suffered physically and mentally from the COVID-19 restrictions, and this is our way of giving back to the community. Our mobile app launch is scheduled for Q4 2021, and we've already had 30,000 registrations on our waiting list.
Aside from our DLT license in Gibraltar, which allows us to buy, sell, and store cryptocurrency for our clients as a financial institution, we've already been registered in the FCA as an EMI agency company under Modular Finance, which basically allows us to issue IBANs and sort codes for all our clients within the DAMX mobile application. Our DAMX prepaid card has already been approved by Visa. The funds we're raising will be used to enter new markets, acquire new licenses, and increase our liquidity to ensure our clients have a seamless experience when trading with DAM. We're excited to welcome you, the crowd, into our stakeholder family, and we look forward to the journey ahead with you by our sides. Welcome to the DAM fam.